of trying new things or trying Obby Foster UGC. So this is called the little oh, link in my bio. I mean description. What is the name of this? Okay. So basically, you will play this game, and when win the UGC. I don't want maybe in the So we are at 16% of the UGC. Sorry about my outfit, guys. I'm just cold and want to sleep, but I can't because I need to make money. So I basically watched this from a YouTuber girl. A YouTuber girl. Yeah, I get the wrong place. And she played this, but you are going to wait more like an hour or I don't know, 12 hours. Hey. This one's really hard. I hope my screen. My run is low. Run. Oh, wait until. Go. Oh. Yeah. Jump. So we are at now 24. It's. Oh my gosh. No. Yeah. We are 20%. This is open. Oh no, I just. Oh, Bobo in my. No, it's me first. It's me. First. Oh, no. You might. Careful, boy. Me. I'm very disappointed. Crap. I know, girl. We are going here. Wait, catch up on her. Sorry, Tata. Me. Jump. Come on. This is a wraparound. Jump around it. Come. This obby is very sad. Jump. Michael, you need to buy. Jump. Oh! We are trying to get the Labubu. Oh! We are at 50%. We are halfway there to get the Labubu. Oh! It's very annoying, huh? Very annoying. Yep. And you need to invite at least one friend to claim it. Why do they need to put this jungle era to the next level? Me, how do I? Hala, how? Me. This is very hard now. Look. It's very hard now. Try it here. Me. Hello, it's very hard now. Yes. We don't need to jump here in the part of this. Yes. No. Maybe. Oh, makatawag na. I crossed it na eh. We need to be careful now. Yes, I'm getting the hang of it. Yes. Jump. Jump. Need to be careful. I don't want. Eh! Annoying. I'm getting annoyed, guys. I'm at 41% of my phone. I'm trying to get the first place, guys. But I guess someone's at the first place now. Try not to avoid that, okay? I keep talking nonsense, guys. I know. Jump! Okay, serious mode. Alright, I think this will disappear. Okay. I don't want! How will I ever cross this? Yan. We are at Labubu now. Jump. I'm trying to get the Labubu outfit. Guys, I'm getting scammed or what? But I just want my own outfit! We are at stage 68! I'm getting annoyed. Ah! I can see the moon up here. Yes! Okay, serious mode. Oh, serious mode. Serious mode. Okay, I'm not going to talk to, so I'm gonna be enjoying the video of this. Okay. This is going to disappear. That would be nice. Hello! It's okay. It's not okay, guys. It's not going to disappear until you jump. Yeah, that's how it works. Hello! Guys, I had to be honest, I don't know how to jump a wall like that. So guys, please help me. Help me guys learn how to jump that wall. Like that one. I don't know, I'm just new here. Like that. Eh, paano? I'm going to cry now. Oh no, I'm backward. Yep. Oh my gosh. Yeah, how? It's getting hard. Yar! Yar! I learned to dance now. Okay. Ah! May ganun. Hala! Sure ko naman to. Oy! Go. You need to jump in that pack. I need to run. Run fast to your mother. What? You just fall. You will not abanta. Guys, it's getting hard by each. Oh guys, help me guys. Ah, see? Yeah. I keep getting. No, what? I'm annoying na Yeah, I kept getting shot in that. Bro. Okay. Jump. I didn't know it's going downwards. I thought it was the same, guys. Okay. The black one, which it's go. Yes. No. It's getting hard. Oh no, what do I do, guys? Yes. I finally got getting okay, guys. By the way, guys, OA is a word of overreacting, just like me. I just can't move on. No, may ganun. Oh, no, it's annoying, guys. How do I pass this? How do I? Guys, tell me in the comment section, how do I pass like that? Help me. You can't just walk away. No. You can't jump, it's too high. You need to wall hop? I don't know how to wall hop, guys. See? Oh. Bye. By the way, guys, sorry about my outfit and just cold. This is the game that I played, and I haven't proved you yet that this is a legit one, but guys, I think this is a legit one because why not trying, guys? I can't. I'm too haggard with it. Bye.